Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn, and today I'll be presenting on the Gran Telescopio Canarias, or GTC, one of the largest and most powerful telescopes in the world. So, GTC is located at the Roque de los Muchachos Observatory in La Palma, Canary Islands in Spain. The construction began in 1998 and it officially started operations in July 2007 and cost roughly $166 million. And it is currently standing as the fourth largest telescope in the world. So what exactly is this telescope? Well, GTC is a reflecting telescope, meaning it uses mirrors instead of lenses to collect and focus light. It's specifically a Richter-Creaton telescope, which involves a reflector called a Cassegrain reflector, which provides optimal wide field imaging without compromising the structural integrity of the lens. It's classified as an optical infrared telescope, meaning it primarily observes visible light and near infrared light, otherwise known as NIR, which is slightly longer than visible light, but shorter than mid-infrared light in terms of wavelengths. This is a visual of a reflecting telescope. Okay, so here's some technicalities about the telescope. It's composed of 36 hexagon-shaped pieces. They're pushed together to form a mirror. GTC sits at over 7,800 feet above sea level, and it's also off on a set of islands, which makes it less prone to light pollution due to its positioning away from basically other civilization. It also uses what is called adaptive optic system. It uses a type of mirror to minimize visual distortion caused by Earth's atmosphere, so it makes the visuals that the observers are seeing more clear. So what is GTC's purpose? Its purpose is to look at stars and planetary systems that are surrounded by a lot of dust. This is because dust grains absorb shorter wavelength light more easily than infrared light. And areas like stellar nurseries, for example, nebulae, have a bunch of dust and gas floating around. So infrared light can pass through more easily, making the actual planets and stars and objects apart from the gas and dust more visible through this telescope. It also can view exoplanets, and these are planets really far away, so planets outside of our solar system. So what are some notable observations of this telescope? Well, there's quite a few. It's been able to view the heart of the Milky Way. There's a supermassive black hole in the center, and this provided the observers new insight on how matter acts when it's inside a black hole, and supermassive black holes have extreme levels of gravity. It's also observed the planet outside of our solar system called exoplanet K218b. It was just a planet orbiting a star in the Leo constellation. It's also been able to view the early universe. It's observed distant galaxies that formed just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, so that's a really long time ago. It's viewed the farthest galaxy from us, which is GNZ11, and it's been able to view stars and objects in space 13.4 billion light years away. So this is a pretty powerful telescope, obviously. Here are my references that I use to collect my information and visuals. See, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please comment below in this YouTube video. Thank you.